Weekend Homesteaders here. If you're ready to raise happy chickens, grow a thriving garden, and embrace a self-sufficient lifestyle, then you'll love our Coops and Gardens newsletter. Each week, our newsletter delivers expert tips and practical advice straight to your inbox every Sunday. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. From the best practices in chicken care to innovative gardening techniques, we cover it all. Dive into sections dedicated to roosters, herbs for your chickens, bees, and even delicious chicken treat recipes. And that's not all. Subscribe today and receive 2 fantastic free gifts. Our companion plant guide, which helps you maximize your garden's potential by pairing plants that thrive together, and an egg tracker, so you can keep tabs on your flock's productivity with ease. These tools are perfect for taking your homesteading journey to the next level. They're easy to use and designed to help you get the most out of your garden and your coop. Join our growing community of passionate homesteaders who are transforming their lives, one egg and one plant at a time. By subscribing to the Coops and Gardens newsletter, you'll gain exclusive access to all the tips and tools you need to succeed. Visit weekendhomesteaders.com and sign up now to receive your free companion plant guide and egg tracker. Don't miss out on the knowledge and inspiration to elevate your homesteading journey.